Everything in the universe moves with rhythm. The planets trace their silent orbits, stars pulse with ancient light, and the seasons turn in a never-ending cycle. Even your own heartbeat follows this cosmic dance. Have you ever noticed how some days life flows with an effortless grace, while on others, every step feels like a struggle? This isn't random luck, it is a matter of alignment. The same universal forces that guide galaxies also influence the subtle energies here on Earth. Through the ancient language of astrology, we can begin to understand how that energy moves through you. Astrology is not a rigid prediction of fate. It is the art of understanding cosmic timing. Imagine planting a seed in the dead of winter. Even with the best intentions, it will struggle. But planting that same seed in the fertile soil of spring changes everything. The right action at the wrong time can lead to frustration, but the right action in divine timing, that is where magic happens. Every planet in our solar system carries a unique vibration, a frequency that resonates with different aspects of our lives. Emotions, our focus, our power to manifest. As these celestial bodies journey across the sky, they form geometric patterns known as transits. These are not random occurrences. Think of them as a cosmic weather report, guiding you on when to plant your intentions, when to take bold action, and when to pause and rest. Let's begin with the closest and most influential body, the moon. It is your emotional compass, the ruler of rhythm, intuition, and the natural cycles of manifestation. The lunar cycle offers a perfect template for creation. At the new moon, when the sky is dark, the energy turns inward. This is a sacred time for setting intentions, for planting the seeds of your deepest desires in the fertile ground of your subconscious. As the waxing moon grows in light, so too should your actions. This is the time to build momentum, to nurture your goals, and to let your energy expand outward into the world. Then comes the peak, the full moon. The sky is fully illuminated, and so are your emotions. Truths rise to the surface. This is a powerful moment for release, for letting go of anything that no longer serves your highest purpose. It's a time of culmination and celebration. Following this peak, the waning moon begins its journey back into darkness. This phase calls for reflection and gratitude. It's a sacred pause, a time to integrate the lessons learned before the next cycle begins anew. This is how the cosmos teaches us to manifest not in a frantic rush, but in a graceful rhythm. But our journey doesn't end with the moon. Let's look to the heart of our solar system, the sun. The sun represents your core identity, your life force, your purpose. Its transits through the zodiac highlight periods when your unique gifts are meant to shine their brightest. Then there is Mercury, the swift messenger, governing the mind and communication. When Mercury goes retrograde, there's no need to panic. It is simply the universe inviting you to slow down, to review your plans, to refine your message before moving forward with greater clarity. Venus, the planet of love, beauty, and value, influences our relationships and our sense of self-worth. When Venus graces your sign, you'll notice a heightened sense of attraction, not just romantically, but to opportunities and experiences that resonate with your authentic vibration. Mars, the fiery warrior, provides the drive and passion to pursue your goals. Mars is pure motivation. When misaligned, it manifests as frustration, a clear signal to check if your actions are still in harmony with your true intentions. And then we have Jupiter, the great expander. Jupiter is the planet of growth, fortune, and belief. Whatever you focus your energy on, Jupiter magnifies. If you cultivate a mindset of abundance, it will grow. If you hold on to fear, that too will expand. The universe doesn't choose sides. It simply reflects the energy you project. Astrology reveals that manifestation is not a random act of will, but a beautiful act of cosmic cooperation. When your personal vibration aligns with the motion of the planets, life ceases to be a struggle. It becomes a flow. This is divine timing, not a coincidence, but a profound synchronization. How do you begin to align with this cosmic flow? Start by observing the moon. Notice its phase and how it affects your emotional state. Track the planets and feel into their energy. Learn to sense when it is time to act, and just as importantly, when it is time to simply be and allow. The universe is always communicating, not in words, but in waves of energy, in signs. It's all about those little coincidences that seem to connect us. Everything you desire already exists in the realm of potential. The stars simply illuminate the path, showing you when the energetic gateways are open for you to receive. When you move in rhythm with the cosmos, you stop chasing what you want and start attracting it effortlessly. Manifestation isn't about controlling time. It is about learning to dance with it. Trust the timing of your life. Follow the rhythm of the universe. And remember, you are not a separate entity looking out at the cosmos. You are an integral part of it. You are the universe, experiencing and aligning itself through you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.